We're a brand new business, we're young, and so we're trying to figure out what we needed for our equipment and supplies, our tents, tables, and chairs. Trying to find a place to store stuff and still have convenient access to it led me to the idea of looking to a portable storage unit. They're clean, they're dry, they're attractive to the property, they're not an eyesore. It's a local company, pricing is very good, and the customer service is amazing.